Okay, welcome.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can continue.
So for starting from here, from this page here,
Yes.
I notified that this sustaining head that is there, instead of moving to the left side to align with this, it's not moving. But if I should remove this now, I should clear this one by this side here. It's aligned back. But if I should press this to edit it, it's moving to this other side.
You mean the sustaining growth?
Yes, sir.
Why are you using left alignment, sorry, right alignment for the grow the future with sustainable agriculture? Why not centered?
That was what on the website that I sent the assignment.
Your website is to be as an inspiration, not to be as an exact thing. Okay, just open the website from your end. Open the website and then share the tab. You understand? Like, let me see the website. Let me see. Just open it on your from your screen. Let us see it together.
Okay, so I'm trying to.
No problem. This is the advantage of joining early. So we will just take our time to review those that joined early. What they have done so far before we start the main class.
Oh, it's not sharing. I don't know what is actually going on. I tried to.
Why is it not showing up? You use Dribble.
Yes, sir.
I told us not to really use Dribble. I really told us not to use Dribble. The thing about Dribble is people will not tell you, but the truth is, from my experience, Dribble is good when you are a professional. Like, you know how to filter the good and the bad. Most of the designs in Dribble are not functional. Like, they are just there for fun. Like, they are just beautiful, but they are not functional. Functional means that most of them are not client works. A client, there are something that you will do. A client will say, no, don't do that. That is when you know that you're working. You know, when you have feedback, you're being corrected. Some designs on Dribble are more of people doing it on their own, like frictional works. They just do it and post it. Like, they just like it. It's just fine. Do you get? They do it and
Yes.
post. That's why I said awards, because most award design, they go through some of awards. They used to do contest competition. At least those ones are more like they go through some stages. You know that this one you're not, it's not just random. Just that awards has more of advanced designs. But dribble designs, you need to know how to filter the good and the bad, because if I should go to dribble now for inspiration, I'll not take everything. I can take one section in a full website. Like, I can just take one section and then put it in the way that will make sense in my own. I don't know how to explain this, but dribble is more for professionals that know their left from their right, not for beginners that are trying to recreate. I would even prefer Behance to dribble. Behance. You get. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why immediately you shared your design, and I saw that stuff. I was just wondering the idea. It's not really nice to that style is not functional. If you want to make your things to be centered, make it centered. You know, people are reading, so you don't have to distract their eyes. Like taking it left, left. Okay, center. The first one was centered, then left, left. Look at the She-inTech websites now. Everything is just centered and bold. So once it opens, when once a user comes, they read it at once. But this one, the first thing I'm going to read now, if your image had let's say had some space on the right, if you observe the one that we did in our class, the practical class that we did,
Yes, sir.
our image had some space on the left where we wrote all those write-up. I don't know if you understand.
Yes, sir.
So we use that to our advantage by making sure that everything went to the left, then that space on the right, the image took it. So if your image now, because your image also influences your design. So if your image is kind of how should I put this? You need to know the nature of your image. It has a way of influencing your own text structure. So for this your own, for me, it's the centered structure is going to work well. Mm, mm, mm. I'm also thinking,
Okay, sir.
what kind of image can you use that displays agriculture apart from this one? Then you've not blend. We need to blend your background well.
Okay, sir. Maybe I will download another image that has image by the right, because from the prototype, maybe I can send it on WhatsApp on the WhatsApp group and send it to you, sir.
Mm.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I'm hearing. I was thinking if okay, let us do it this way. Let us do this arrangement this way. Let us say this is your concept. Let us first of all fetch the background. One thing about design, there is a contrast. I can't read your text well, to be sincere. How are you able to read it? The one below, we empower farmers. Like how are you able to read it clearly? Because it's entering the background. The background is entering the text. So it's distracting your users to read. It's stressing them. Let me put it that way. Which makes it what?
With eco-friendly methods, modern tools, and a shared mission to nourish the planet naturally and responsibly.
So what you do is you need to blend your background, give it an overlay.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir. And this side also.
No, let's finish with the first one. Give it an overlay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
A dark overlay.
I was looking for it. It's not working.
Return the blend mode to normal. Then
No.
I hate when I created the header.
Yes, sir.
Hover on it. Just hover on it. Hover on the header.
Yes.
Mm. Though scroll, just scroll. I want to confirm something. Scroll small. Is the header transparent?
Yes, sir.
Go up. Okay, so though you've not done that well, right? Your header is supposed to be developed in a different place in Elementor, which is why I said we shouldn't do header yet. You get, but
Yeah.
since you've done it, so let's leave that one. Let's focus on the hero section that you're talking to, you're trying to fix. So, did someone assist you on this project?
No, no, sir.
You did everything by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Then putting a background overlay shouldn't give you stress. So this is what we're going to do. Change the
I
background.
wasn't
Go to
okay.
background. Let the
Okay, sir.
background type. Let the background type, not background overlay. Background. Go up.
Okay.
Let the background be the main image.
The background type.
Yes, let it be the main image.
I'm coming. I wasn't able to. I've not been able to get this exact one.
What is
The
that?
exact container. I'm trying to find the exact container for it.
You're in the content already. The print container, you're there already.
Okay. It's only showing classic gradient videos and slideshow.
Okay, how did
I
you put
had
this other image? How did you put this other image?
that.
How did you put this other image here?
I pressed this place. I chose the image, and this is the image.
Go back. Go back to background.
I'm guessing.
Click on classic. Click on image.
Oh, and then I'll select this.
Let me see the first image. Wait, let me see the first image.
This one.
I wish this one was a landscape image. This would have done a better job than this one. A picture with human feeling is much more better than this kind of the one you used. Let me see the third image. Click on the third image. Let me see. Where did you download your image from? 5 MB. Jesus.
Sir?
Oh my God. Did I teach you guys up to optimize your images?
No, sir. Maybe I was in the class.
Okay, wait, let
And
me
you're
ask you.
talking about the canvas using custom size.
Yes. Then I use a plugin to reduce the size of the images that day. How many of us can remember? Can you Peter? No, not you. Can you don't answer? Another person should answer. I need a female before Kani. Who can remember what we talk about optimizing our images? Any other person? Okay, Kani Peter, please proceed.
Hello, sir.
Yes, good evening. You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. You mentioned that for us to bring in an image that will ensure that our websites load very faster, you install another what's it called?
Plugin
Another plugin. Yes.
called what?
Come,
So I installed a plugin called ASE. You can mute. Thank you so much, Akane. I installed a plugin called ASE. It helps you to, when once you're uploading images like this that has up to 5 MB, when once you upload, it automatically resize that image to something like a KB, maybe like 300 KB, so that it will still maintain the resolution and also reduce the size, because you need to optimize your website to load fast. If you put multiple of big images like 5 MB, click on another image. Let me see.
That image is 5 MB also.
What is that?
The image is 5 MB.
The next one. Click on the next one.
5
It's on
MB also.
25. Wow. So if you have like that's like 10 MB already, like you're not even started the it's not like had multiple pages. It will slow
Yes.
down your website, and slow websites, number one, will make you're going to lose your users. Even your clients will not be happy. So that is why it's always good to optimize. So that tool that I shared with you, ASE, maybe I'm going to look at it. I'm going to show it today when I'm sharing my screen. It will help you to reduce the size. That's number one, and then still maintain quality. So always optimize your image. If you don't use the plugin, you can still resize the image using your Google, your photos. I'll show you that method as well. Maybe if you don't want to use the plugin, because once you install the plugin, I gave you some um, settings you can use. So if I don't share it today, please someone should remind me before the class finish. But I would like to share it again so that you can learn. So back to your hero section, right? The image that we are supposed to use should have some feeling. Like I like the woman, the first one. It shows her in action. But the thing here is that it's not really. Let me see. It's not like in a landscape font. So some things will cut out. Just let me see.
Maybe I need to remove
Then
this one.
leave it, close it first. Wait to go back. That's not where the issue is from. So come to your background overlay.
Okay. Then I
Delete.
remove it.
Wait, don't choose image. Wait now.
Sorry, sir.
Just hover. You see a delete button. Then delete it. Yes. Then have you seen it's not getting clear? Then on color, click on color. There is color there in that background. Where you are now, look at you see color, click on it. Bring it down to black, or down to the part of the green, like not like totally black, the part of the green, take it up small.
Nice. Yeah.
The last part, the extreme end, extreme end, extreme end. How should I put it? Yes, then take it up small. From where you are, just take it up small. It's okay. So let us see if it will work. Then let's come back. Opacity, increase the opacity small.
Okay, sir.
You're reducing it though. I say you should increase it.
One, sir. Did I increase it the more?
Something is wrong. You should even cover yourself. Click on that color again. Okay, wait. I know you should move it. Reduce the opacity small. Just hold and drag that slider. Hold and drag it yourself. Don't put number. Just hold and drag. I want to see something. No, I don't mean the color. Opacity. We are done with the color ever since. You're still changing the color. Just opacity.
Yeah. What is that, sir?
Opacity is below.
Okay.
I said you use your mouse, drag it. Don't do like that. Drag it with your this thing. Drag the stuff with your hand. Yes, drag it. Let me see how it will be. It's okay. 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 Her image is black. So increase it. We change our image. Increase it to, let's say, 85, 90. Not one, or reduce it, reduce it. It's okay. It's okay. So let's go back to background.
Okay.
Then scroll down. Position center, center. You should be doing all this stuff when you put in your image. You don't just leave that default. Center, center. Repeat
Yes, sir.
none.
Sir?
Repeat. Click on repeat and make it none.
No repeats.
Mm.
Okay, sir. I've done
Display
it.
size. Click on display size and select cover.
I've done it.
Okay. Collapse the panel. Let's see. So guys, this image and the previous image, which one is preferred?
The second
So
one is
yeah,
the second one is preferred.
this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel this one gives more feeling to the brand in action. So let's maintain this one. But if you see another image like this, but in a landscape form, because now her face has cut out, so you get, if it is
Yes, sir.
in a landscape, if it is in a landscape form now, it would have made more sense. But for now, we are trying to see agriculture, and then someone is in the farm. It's much more better than just corn leaves. So remove this thing that you put on top. That section, you put a, what they call that stuff, a transition, something. Martha, I'm coming to you. Please go back and remove that stuff on top.
Which one, sir?
There is something on top of this section that is like a transition fading stuff. What's now they call
This.
it? That thing that is like waves.
Okay, okay. I was just playing around it and I saw it and I said, okay, let me try to use it.
I know. The beginner stuff. Go to style. You see it on that style. Or where did you get it from?
Transition. I was just scrolling and looking at the designs and that was when I did it.
You should be on that style. Please be fast. We have class to do today. Shape divider, the last one. All this stuff, we don't really have to use them. It makes your design to be basic. So we can just do. No, I think you're clicking on the wrong. You're on the wrong content now. You're clicking on the header element. Oh God. Use your structure panel. I've been saying this thing now. See now, you're on the wrong this thing. Click on the main container that is holding that element.
I clicked on it.
Yeah, that's it. That first one. Go to style.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down.
Shape divider.
Have you opened it?
I've opened the shape divider. Yeah, I use this.
There should be a place to do none. Just click on the TV to go out.
Yeah, that's.
I see now your design is much better now. All those ones makes your design to be basic.
Yes, sir.
Then the next thing in your design is your font. Okay. We'll do your hero section today. Then we move on. Is your font. Click on the heading font. I think
Yes.
some of us should always go back and watch the classes. You're doing two mistakes in your font.
I think I use
That content, I'm holding all of them. Give it a gap of 20. The content, I'm holding 3 of them. Give it a gap of 20. The content, I'm holding those 3 texts below.
I'm looking for it.
Please, as a beginner, rename always if all of you as you're designing, name your containers, please, so that you won't be doing all this. It's when you start you've gone to some level like me. I don't even have to I'll just know where it is when I click. It's up. If you gave it a name to your containers, like what I did, it's not what I did in class now. Once I put a container, I rename it so that you guys can follow. Should be the next one below. The one below, no, below. The next one below. That's it. So that container now, scroll down under this layout, scroll down to gap, give it 30.
Okay.
Don't do a lazy girl work. Type it yourself. Don't do that. You spend more time doing this. Type it out yourself. Select or Control A. 30. You go your way than dragging it.
I typed it. Thank
It's
you.
too. I think it's still too close. What's happening?
That is 40.
40 is better. So now on your heading text now.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on your heading text. Go to style. Typography. You don't even change your font tone. Don't use Poppins. Poppins should be like our default font. Please, others should watch this thing and learn and take note too, so that you know what the essence of this correction is. Not because it's not for only her. It's so that you too, as you're doing your own, can also not make the same mistakes. It will not be nice that people are doing the same mistake that have been corrected already. So please, you don't have all those time. If it's like something of 3 months, or you can joke around, but as it is now, once I'm doing a correction for one person, everybody should take notes of it, so that when you're doing your own, you won't make the same correction. That's how you learn. So the weight bold is too much. Change the weight. But we can still come back. Well, let us change it for now.
Just writing it is normal.
Okay, wait. Go to transform. Let me make it to be all caps first. Let me see. Click on it now. Uppercase, then expand it. Go to advanced and expand it. Go to advanced. Your width.
Okay.
Custom width.
Why?
Be going now.
Okay, I'm sorry. I've done it, sir. 200%.
Something is wrong. Go back to your content on that text. Go up, scroll up. Oh, I see. But I told you, oh God, you've been missing classes though. We use the heading widget for our heading text. Then we used this text editor For the second, this you empower, you should use the text editor for it. Then the heading text, right? You
Yes, sir.
use the heading text, you use the heading text container widgets. I don't know if you understand. Go to plus so that we can wrap up on your own correction, your hero section now.
What is it, sir?
Go to add a new element. Let me show you what I mean. You can copy this on, copy this right up, grow the future, blah blah blah. You can copy it.
Okay, sir.
Control A, Control C. Copy it. Control A, Control C. Click on the container holding these three elements. Look at it there now. Go ahead, add a new widget, do your plus. Put the heading. Put heading. I'm using heading almost every time. So what you're going to do is to drag it up, drag this one up now. Click, drag it up, and put it there.
It's not moving.
Drag it and put to stretch too small, but no, you're not. Drag the main from that icon, that pencil icon that you're going to drag.
Okay.
Leave it. Leave it. Once it shows that line, you leave it. They can delete the one below. Delete the one below. Wait. Delete the one below. Yeah, now click and delete it. Delete the one below. This the one on white. Delete it now.
Okay.
Down your heading text now. Replace it with what you copied that time.
Okay, sir.
Then you increase your typography. Go to style, increase your typography. You can use 50. Use poppins. Search poppins. Then style, size, you can use 50.
Yes, sir.
Then give it transform it to uppercase. Let's see. Give it a white color.
Okay, sir.
So have you seen the difference now? It's much
Yes, sir.
more short. Now you're going to the text below it, give it poppins, and then go to style, give it poppins, fast. Then give it a size of 22. Please, poppins is a default font in this class. Poppins is much more. No, it's too much. It's too much. Reduce it. What we're using that time is okay. Poppins is bold. That's why it's like this. Reduce. Okay. It's too much now. 13. How will you read?
Yes, sir.
Increase it. Let's see 17. It's okay.
Okay.
Then explore our farms. What did you do? Go to from where you are now. From where you are, don't click anything. Go to advanced. From where you are, go to the advanced tab.
Okay.
Let me see something. I know you have done something. Margin. Authority to use margin. Please clear all those margin first. Let us know where the problem is from. The more reason, select all and do 0. Select all of them, padding 2, select and do 0.
Yes, sir.
You see why when we put, I've been now saying that the problem is even from you, because when we put in 20 as the gap of the container holding these three things, it was not spacing. I haven't put 30 to even Me myself, even the height that I can use in that place would have been 22, but your own wasn't giving me what I want because you put in a padding and imagine that was shifting it. So you pay attention to when I'm developing sections so that there are little things that you see and you also take notes. Okay.
Okay.
So now let us click on explore our farms. Click on it. Click on that button. And then go to advanced. I'm sure you have done something there as well. Go to advanced. Make everything to be 0. Did you put a container to that button? Is there a container within that button?
Yes, sir.
You shouldn't have again because it's just one button. Click on that button, click on the container. Let me see. And we explained this in the last class. Remove their heights. Make the heights to be 0, please. These are little things that will give you issues when it comes to responsiveness. So go to advanced. See, still here with a margin. Make it 0. So can you now see that the reason the padding, sorry, the gap that we were fighting earlier was not giving us what we want was because you put in margins where you were not supposed to put in. The only place you would have put in margin would have been only on, in fact, we shouldn't have put in a container for the button again because it's carried the same structure with others. We said it in our last class. Someone asked that question and I took time to explain it. Look, I remember. I took time to explain why we add containers. Okay. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to remove this button, right, and put it in the main container. So just click on it and do copy. Click and copy it.
Okay, sir. I've copied it, sir.
Are you sure? Just click and copy it to let me see.
I've copied.
Okay. Then click on the main parent container, holding this stuff ahead. Then paste. Scroll down and delete that content. The container, this last container holding a button, delete it.
Okay, sir.
Delete.
I've deleted it.
And now let us now to the container itself. Let's go and reduce the gap. You use 40. So let me now see how they are now scattering. So put 20. Because I was even wondering, which I even told you that select all and write it. Don't always do that. So you won't waste your time. It's only when you're testing figures, you're testing decimals, then you can do that. So it's much better. So this sustaining F, I think we have to remove it there. Delete it. We have 3 contents here already. So that's more like it's looking like a button already because you will not style it. You also delete it. We use it somewhere else. You can just do normal delete it to go out. You don't have to just click on this on your keyboard to go out. So let me see, delete it. Let me see how the content will be like. Publish. Publish and preview. Publish and preview.
Okay, sir. This is it, sir.
So we need to break our text. Grow the future with sustain. So we are going to break that text now. How do you do that? How do you do that? How do we break our
I
text?
well, maybe I should go back to the content, then I'll use Shift to cut it down.
You do what? Go back to the back end. Just click on the look at it. Wait, look at it there. Yes. So how do you intend to break this text to? So I want it to be like this, the way it is like this. You see the way it is on our screen. I want it to be like that when you collapse the panel. So how do we do that? Who knows? Any suggestion?
I
Collapse
think
the
maybe
panel.
I'll go back to
Collapse the panel. This our panel here. You see, when once we collapse the panel, it gives us the full width, and then our text is breaking. Our text is not breaking well. This is not nice. Like you see, it's not looking nice. So how do we fix it? Who knows? We've done it in class. Okay, so go back.
okay, so
You go to advanced.
I'm there, sir.
With custom width.
Then I'll drag it.
Mhm.
I've dragged it to 100
I'm not
percent.
don't make it 100. Don't make it 100. Reduce it.
75.
Make it 80. Mm, 80 looks like it will not break it. Make it 90. Then publish. Simply write 90. Then just publish. The preview will update automatically. Okay. Then let's give it some line height. It's too close to each other. Let's go back, give it some line height. Style, go up, style, typography. Scroll down to line height.
I'm coming, sir.
You can always use are you using your mouse or you're using your laptop pad?
I'm using my laptop.
Your laptop is
Yes,
please go
sir.
and buy a mouse. All of you should buy a mouse. Like how do you even intend to work with that?
I borrowed someone mine, and the person I can be going to it.
Okay. Line height. Go to line height. It will delay you. You have to use your mouse because the experience is much faster. Increase the line height. I want it to give it some spacing. Increase.
Not
Increase.
increasing.
Okay, that's okay. So publish. Why is everything coming down? Your parents' container, what structure did you give it? Click on your parents' container.
Please, sir.
Scroll down, let us see what you did. Then go to advanced. So you give it a top. Don't give it no. We need to learn margin and padding. Very, very important. You need to understand margin and padding. Remove that margin, please. You don't just put margin anyhow now. Remove the padding also. These
There's
are what
nothing.
remove the the right margin, remove it.
I've
Now
removed it.
publish. Let us see what we are having. Let me see the things we have to adjust. Go to
After that,
So you've now seen that everything is now in the middle.
yes, it's even making
So
more much better.
what you can do now is that you're not going to give it a top padding. Give it a top padding so that to separate the container from up. Can give it a one, give it a 90, give it 90 up.
19.
90, that 900, 90.
Okay.
Publish. Let's see the preview. Wait. Oh, sorry. Make it 0. You're not in the right container. Make it 0. Sorry. Make it 0. Click on the main parent container and give it the margin and padding. Click on the main container holding everything in the hero section container. Click on it. You can bring your structure panel. The hero section container. Click on
Okay,
it.
so
That's where you give padding to everything. Please rename your container in your next class, so I will not be able to. Because you rename your parents' container, by now you just see it and know that this one is the hero section.
yes, I am.
Okay, so what you do now, go to advanced,
I'm there, sir.
unlink all the values, then padding top, make it 90. Just put 9 in front of the 0 now. Then you see what you were doing.
Oh,
Below, also make it 90. Bottom.
no, see right.
So I don't know what you were doing with your heroes, with your header, but I think you should delete it for now. We'll deal with header when we are done with this one. So just delete the header for now.
Interesting.
Your header is supposed to be at the top, so you should move. So now publish. Let's go and see the preview. Wait. Is it done publishing?
Yes, sir.
So once it's published, you don't have to click on the preview icon again. You just have to check on the preview tab already.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so if you observe, go back to that preview. If you observe, because you gave this container, wait, don't collapse it. Wait, I want to explain something. Because you gave this container a width, a margin of 15 by the right, be that time that you are told to remove them. Now we now seen
Yeah.
that what we're now doing now has scattered because what you did, like you were working with what you were doing, not knowing that you were doing something else. So what you're going to do that you still do was just break this text, click on the text heading, the hidden text, and then break it. There are two ways you can break your text. The first one is this method. The second method is using the BR HTML code. So let's say make it to be go to advanced and make it 100%. Let me show you the second method. Make it 100% width. Though I like using this one because it helps me in case my client is using a big screen.
The first one, sir.
Custom will make it 100%. Then go back to the content.
Okay.
Please get your mouse. You don't have to be designed like this. So then go back to
Yes,
the
sir.
content to slow you down. You need speed. Go to content. So
Yes, sir.
we want to break from close our structure panel. Let me show people. We want to break the text. Close your structure panel. It's covering the text. So you want to break from future, right? So you just put the cursor in front of width. Then you now put in, you open in front of width.
What am I going to put on?
So you're going to put in this angle bracket symbol.
This.
Angle bracket, you now write BR, then close it, then publish it. This one works best for heading text like this. Then go to our preview, it has updates. Don't close this panel, you don't used to hear one. Don't close the panel. Look, our preview, this thing is update. Look at the wait. You don't have to even click that eye, this thing. When once you preview once, right, it automatically creates a new tab for you. So when once you do publish, you don't have to click on the eye. You just do publish. It automatically updates this tab to the new changes you've made. So that's it. Why I don't want you to close that panel, because it will stress you. So go back. So once you go back now, you don't have to like bring back the panel and see what you were doing is still here. And you know what? Like this is how you to make your work to be faster. What you're doing is still here, and you can know if you want to make changes or not. So that one works for us, right? So the next one, the text below is too long. Go to the preview tab. Let me show you what I'm saying. Go to the preview tab there. No, not the icon. Preview tab, the next tab next to this.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's the preview tab. So you see that this thing is too long. Look at with VM4, blah blah blah. It's supposed to stop somewhere, you know, from that modern. It's supposed to cut there, because at least it shouldn't pass the tools. Maybe from tools, just we should cut it. It's too long. That's not nice. You know, imagine reading to the extreme end of your screen, then now coming back again. You know, so come back to your back end, and then you use custom width in this one now. So go to advanced, go to custom width, and then adjust it. So you can use something like 80%.
Can't find it.
Custom width, we've gone there like we've been there like 3 times just now. Look at it there now.
Yeah, seen it.
Use something like 90%, not 100. 100 will make it to still be long. 90% will break it. Or even 89. We have publish it, and then go to the preview tab. Let us see. It's still long. It's still long. You should bring it back. Bring it back.
I
If
should
you
make
use
it 100.
if you use like a monitor, it's not be stressing you like this, because you can just extend one tab to the monitor and then you work on your system. So so just reduce it. Can make it 80. So publish and check. Okay. It's 14 it. Well, I wonder why it's. Are you sure? Go back to that tab again. Go back to our back end. Reduce it. Why is it still extending? Something is wrong somewhere. Leave it at that 70 first. Then click on the container holding them. The parent container holding on these elements. Click on it. Then go to layout. Go to layout. See, it's supposed to be 50. Make it 50. The width is supposed to be 50. Now you should ask me, why is it 50? Why is it 50? Because if you put 2 containers there, if you put 2 containers in that section, right, it will share 50-50. Publish, let's see. Your session has taken our time. This is the main reason I was saying, let us do our assignment on time. I know what I was saying. Your section alone has taken us up to an hour just to correct you. So imagine other people, imagine other section, imagine other people now. Get. So I think we have achieved something better than what we had before. Though other modifications can come in when we look at it again. And if you learn something from our class now, if you watch the previous class, just the previous class, most of what I'm doing now, we did it in the previous class. Text breaking, we did it. All this alignment, we did it. Okay. So just scroll down. Let me see. We are done with your hero section, so we'll stop there for today. Wait, hover on your farms, your city, hover on it, explore our farms, hover on it, and there is no interaction. So how will your user know that that is a button? So you need to give it some interaction. So we'll not do that now, but just do it like this. When once you go, give it a color, the hover color, of the button. We can make it to be black. So scroll down. Let me see. You have some work to be done. Wait, in video something. What is that?
Yes, I use AI to generate a video, so I did it to it.
It doesn't look nice putting a video that has the watermark on the side, but it's okay. Just that the heading is too rounded. I think we are going to put a video text today. So a video element in our class today, so you can learn on how that can be done.
Okay.
So scroll down.
Okay.
Then please, all your divs should have the same width. Your divs, all of them should have the same width. I wonder, because go up. What width are you using for your div?
So I'm using 100% for the sides, the width.
The how come it's not touching the edges?
I use the margin to reduce it.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong, but that's okay. That's wrong. You're going to, I'll show you. Please, when you're learning, please ask questions so that you will not make mistakes when you're doing practice. You're not supposed to use full width there. You only use full width when you want the section to be full, like from edges to edges. Then box is like you want it to have, you like putting something in a box, right? That box now has given that particular content a structure. What is it called? Look up. Let me launch my. Oh, before I share my screen, let me log in first, because if I don't log in, I'm YouTube play. May flag down the video. So you're going to use on your parents' containers, like that hero section, on your parents' container, because who knows if that's why we're even having that issue. On your parents' container, right? They should always be boxed. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Please, others should learn. No, please. This correction is for everybody. Then it should always be boxed, and then other things can, and it should be the same size. Just if you want to make it boxed, to give it default size, then everything follows. So just go up to the hero section. Let me just show you what I mean. They can do it in other ones when you go home. Use the control panel and the structure panel. Bring out click on the hero section container. Should be the first one.
I clicked on it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Is that the I go to layout? Go to layout. Is that layout?
Yes, sir.
That's advanced. Or is it my screen that is freezing? Scroll down, let me know. I think my screen is freezing or something.
Can you say, sir?
No, no, hold on. I don't know. My screen is not moving. Are you scrolling?
Yes, sir.
I think network has frozen my screen. Oh, it's not moving again. Just okay. It's moving now. It's moving now. It's moving now. And go to container. The first container. Go to and go to layout.
Okay.
Then look at content with should not be full with. We've been doing this thing now. We've created like 3 sections now. Make it box.
Okay, sir.
Please, you need to go back and be watching our videos. Even if you're in class, go back and watch videos. There are little things you're going to miss out if you don't watch those videos. Make it box. Then we remove the height. Instead of the height, we have used padding for it. So we remove the height. Publish it. Let us see now. Who knows if that's why those texts were not breaking the way we wanted. Go to your preview tab. Let's see. See, have you now? Have you seen how it has now broken it?
Yes, sir.
So now go back. That text now, work on it now. Go back and make that text. Click on that text, the second text. The second text, not the heading text. We empower, click on it. Now increase. You see, because of what you did now, we were now fighting ourselves with going to, you cannot increase, it's not the button. No. Or click on the button.
Click on the button, sir.
I said the second text, not the button. Second text, look at it on top of the button now.
Yes, sir.
Don't you understand? We have hidden text. We're in the Euro section, right? We have the hidden text. We don't have the soft text under the agriculture. The one that says we empower farmers. Click on it. You can even click on it directly yourself.
Okay.
Please rename your container though. Anybody that presents his or her screen without naming your container, especially the parents one, you can leave the ones under. I kind of pardon that, but the main container that holds things under, please rename them, because this going back and forth is because she did not rename her containers and it's stressing her. Now, custom with increase it. Let's now do 80 and see. Should now be better. Let's increase it now. 80, 81. Publish it. Let's see. This is the best way to have, because no matter the screen that anybody open it to have to maintain what you're giving it here, no matter how big the screen is. So I think this is preferred. So we can leave it at this. All right. So that's it. So do the same thing to other one. The one that you can leave at full with is the one under, the one that has all these logos. Scroll down small. You see this one is moving from H to H. I can allow you to use full width on that one, but other containers should have a structure. So thank you. So please, who has, from what we've done from this correction, who has questions, please? Any question? When I say any question like this, people will keep quiet, but we'll still make mistakes. Please ask question. No? From what we've done so far for her, Like, do you feel like there was something that you did not understand or you missed out? Okay. So who now also had challenges while doing her own, his or her own? Who had challenges? Everybody's quiet. Hmm. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. And also we are learning and not repeat mistakes. At least even if you do mistakes, shouldn't be much. Mhm. Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you
Um,
very much, sir, for the
you're welcome.
correction. Appreciate it.
Okay, so this is my screen. Let's continue building. I'll go to pages, edit with Elementor. Okay. So I want to bring an image, a video to my work. So this way you can bring in quality images. Sorry, video, a stock video. So pixels. Is it pixels? So we have pixels, right? Can see we have pixel B. I like using the second one. Let me see. There's one I prefer more. Let me send this link to the group. Wait to let me confirm. So I'm going to search here skin care. Then I'm going to filter it, look at all images. See now, like nice images. It's still loading. But I want to filter it to, to give me only videos. I want to bring in video to our project. So I'll come here and say, why is it not clicking? Okay, videos. So it will now give me only videos. These ones are, is it premium? Okay, these ones are paid, sponsored videos and stuff. So we are looking for the ones, these ones are what? Royalty free. So these ones, the ones below now are free. So we'll check. So just check for something soft. Let's say this. It's loading. Let's just hold on. It's trying to load the video. It's taking time. But this is where you can get, let me see. This way you can get, I want us to be sure of the video that we are getting before we download, right? It's taking time. So let's just see if it will be faster if we download. Let's do this one. Sound 66 KB. I don't say between the blurry. Okay, so it's done downloading. So I'm going to go to my files. Okay, so I think we can use that. Let me also go back to, I just preview the image, so the video rather. So I feel that is nice, but let me still check for something else. Of course, there is always room to be more creative. But for the sake of time, while this is loading, I would like to start creating the section. Are we together? Are we together? Can you still hear me?
Yes, I can still hear you.
Yes, we can.
So I'm going to add a parent content. I'm going to add a parent section here. I'll link this, and then since this is going to hold, look at what I'm going to do now. I want to add a video. Okay, and that video, I want it to take this full section. So that's why I can now do full width. Now let me duplicate this and show you guys so that you not make mistakes again like the other girl did. I'll duplicate this now. If I put this video, let me give it a height. This is where you can even put a height. This is the only point you can put height. You come here, make it to be VH. VH means view height. So if I should increase this, now style, video, I'm going to upload. Let me go and let me upload the video in our WordPress. So I'll come to media, under media, add media file, select files. So this is where it has downloaded. So I'll just select and it's uploading. I think it's done uploading. So it was not big. This is the advantage of having little sizes of things. It makes things faster for you. So if I now come to, sorry, see, look at it here. So I'll just do what? Click on it, copy this place. It says copy URL to clipboard. So this is, people can download this video with this link now. This link is now embedded in this website backend, our database. We now have it in our own database. So I'll copy this and go back to where Elementor. These are our Elementor backend. So I want to add this video. So it says video link. If it is on YouTube, just copy the YouTube link and put here. But this one is, since it is self-hosted now, I just have to copy the link in our own database, and then I will paste here. Automatically, our video comes up. Now, are we following? Now, this is what's boxed. You see, this is boxed now. So whatever I'm going to put now, let me show you the power of boxed. Whatever I'm going to put now, let's say I put in an image. That image, oh, not video, sorry. Let me push in an image widget. So this image now, look at it takes this size. Have you seen? Let me put in an image so you can see what I mean. You see, no matter what, this image will not exceed this position. Why? because the container holding it is in box. So if I change it down to full width, I now have the ability to expand this image. Even if I put it in the background, it will automatically expand. Let me show you what I mean. Container style. Go to classic, put in this as the background. And hold this guy, layout, change it to box. So delete this. So the advantage, if you can see this small line here, there's a small line cutting here and cutting here. The advantage of always using the full width in section like this is because it will not have limitations. Whatever I want to put inside will do what is possible. Let me show an example of a full width section. So I won't confuse you guys. So in Firstborn Studios, I personally used, let me go to that section. If you observe, this section has the same, it stops the same place and starts the same place. Look at, you see this line? This is how you get professional. You see this line, everything is in one line. Look at, it's as if I use ruler, you see? Are you following? You see this thing, everything has the same line. That's the function of, that's what using box helps you to do. Now, full width is when you want things to touch edges to edges. This section now is full width. Though. Look at what this image is. Do you get? I wanted it to just carry this full section. Are you following? So you only use full width on exceptions, but basically your flex box should always be in box. That's just the simple thing. Are we following? So I'll change this, and then it's already the size 1140, the default size for Elementor. Okay. Sorry. So I'm going to change the style. Oh, I wasn't sharing my tab. Are you guys even following? Here you go. So I'm going to come back, delete this, and I will go to video, and then the video that we uploaded and put the link here is still already here. So what I can now do is how do I want this video to be long, like in terms of the height? So I want to take at least 80%. Let me just do 90% of my website. So you see, if someone scrolls down here, there's a video that forces the person. You can even make it to be 100. So in this video now, you can now put in a write-up in this video background. So how do you do that? First off, click on the parent container holding this video. Remember, this video is a background now. It's not like a widget. The video is the background of the container. So just plus and then put in our heading text here. So click on the container holding the text and then arrange it with your layout. You go to justify content, align items. So I don't know what should even put here. Let's just copy this and put, you can change it later. We'll paste this here. Give it a white color. And custom width so that we can break it into the way we want. Alignment center. Typography. Let us use this play fair display. Look at it. So the name is play fair display. So we'll use play fair display. Okay. So the size can be something like this. Expand this. come back to style and then height. So do the space. So now this is nice, but then the text is fighting with the background. So we'll come to the background, which is the container. Style, background overlay. So I'll choose color. Remember, we had a color before in our global style. So let's use the brown. Increase the opacity. Not really nice. Let's use something like this. I wish you guys can see what I'm doing very well though. Let's keep styling this. This semi-board is too much. Let's just use normal. Okay. Let me just do this. Then this is empty. If I'm saying it's just looking empty. So I would like to add a button under. So I can just come here and copy this button. We'll come here and copy it. And then click on the parent container and paste it under. So we say what's book a session. Okay. So the video is showing a skin, somebody rubbing his or her skin. I don't know if it's a male or female. More like testing the skin texture and the rest. So does this make sense? Are we together?
Sir,
Jesus
sir,
Christ.
sorry, sir. It
I
looks
asked
unique,
you.
but what if maybe the customer's internet connection is not okay and they want to book a section on the video? Would it really work for them or something? I don't know.
Come again.
I'm saying that what if maybe the customer is in a network that is lower, like now Airtel in Nigeria is something else, and the person wants to click on this book a session here. I don't think the video will let that person do that. Can the video, or does the video playing affect the link? Like if the video pauses now, would the link still be able to work? Maybe that's what I should
Yes.
have asked.
Oh yes,
Or
yes.
something.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Let me even make it to be 100%. The height to be 100%. Where is it?
Okay.
Hold on. Let me make the height to be of the way to be 100%. 100 VH. VH means view height. So it gives it how should I explain this? Please follow me. VH means view height. So we want to put in this figure. It tells it tells Elementor, right? Let's take 100% view height of whatever screen the person is watching on, either it is a laptop or maybe a MacBook or a desktop screen. You should take what 100% view height. All right. Then if you now go down to doing responsiveness like tablets and then mobile, this one now we can now change to pixels. All right, our phone recognizes pixels faster than view height, but our laptop recognizes view height. We'll go to all those ones, but just get the point. So,
Yes, sir.
what's your question now? Like now, the video is not playing, but the button is still here.
Okay,
Can you
that's
see?
what I was asking, sir.
But let me just do preview and then share this tab. Hope you can see this tab.
Yes, sir.
So if I now scroll, this is what you've been doing. The video is playing already. The reason I really put this video down is because a video takes time to load. Although this one is fast, this one is not really big. Video normally takes time to load. So if your video is in the heroes section, please always make sure that the video is not really big, because video will want to load, images load faster than video. So
Yes.
it's always good to take your video down so that before someone will scroll 1, 2, 3, 4, then this section now is supposed to download finish. You understand? At
Okay.
least
Yes, sir.
so that's why I had to bring it down. Not like I would have done it in another section, but I had to bring it down because videos take time to load. They may not really take time, but to come up. So the button will still be there. The video is the background of the container. So if I go
Okay,
back,
just like the hero section, sir. That is how this one is also. But this one now is a video.
exactly.
I thought the clicking on the something, the button will affect the video, will affect clicking on it. Maybe when it doesn't want to load or it's taking time, that the button wouldn't work.
No.
But I understand now, sir.
No problem. The button and the text are just on top of this container. This guy.
Okay.
They just go on top. They are just on top of it. They are not like inside the main
video.
video.
Okay.
They are just on
Yes.
top. The video is what is like an over. It's just what is in the background.
Okay. Thank
So
you,
that
sir.
you're welcome. So back to this guy. So if I now click on this, and now how we can add video. Like what I was even expecting us to ask is, what if you want to add a video that someone is talking? But this video now is just playing. Nobody is talking, but it's just looping. Let me style. So play on mobile. Now this is the video, the container, and then the background. What the background is a video, right? So you need to do some settings. Are you following?
Yes, I am.
If you come down, if you say play once, that means after this video has finished playing, it will just stop. So don't do that. So just leave it, so it will just loop. It will just start from beginning again. Then play on mobile, turn it on so that even on your mobile phone, it will still be playing. Then
Okay.
privacy mode, leave it. Then we have what we call background fallback. Like what you said now, very valid question. What if network is loading? What should show in that place is this image. You add an image. You tell it, what you're telling it now is, if network is slow, what should show for the main time is what? This image. But it's not show now. Let me just preview and see if it will be fast or if it will be slow. Let me see. Let me just preview. Let me preview again. What happened? My screen went on juice. Sorry, that was a mistake. So let me come back to. Can you see my screen? The website.
Yes, I can.
Yes, so I was trying to see, let me try that again. I was trying to see if we should preview if it will take time to load. It's not taking time. This video is fast, so but if in terms of it's slow and network is slow, this and then this video is not coming up, this image that we put here under the background fallback. It says that this cover image will replace the background video in case the video could not be loaded. Very simple.
Okay.
So you just put this in case pictures, like I said, images load faster than image and videos. So this one will just replace for you. So that's the basic settings you have to do. Play on mobile. Always put the background fallback. If you don't trust your video, like me, normally I will not put it, but professionally you have to put it in case of network problem. Then start time. You can leave these ones. Can leave this one. So if you want to put a video that is playing, so let's say I want to put in video that is playing, I will just add a new content and let me add it from scratch in case someone has not seen adding. Plus, add a plus button. Now search for what? Video. It's all right. Video. All right. So I'll just drag in the video widget. You see, it's loading. So if you should observe the first one, I don't put in any widgets. I just use the background of that container. But this one, I'm putting in the widgets, and that widget now has, look at it now. So this one is like the default Elementor video. Now, if I should go to YouTube, let me just show you. Probably your client has YouTube. Your client has what do you call this? There's a skin. If I would say a channel, skin. Your client has a channel, and then some of the videos are there. So what you can just do is just go to their channel. Let's just see one channel. I can click on the video, and then share, or you just copy the link yourself. So if you do share, you see the link, copy. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Because we know this already. Let me close this. Back to my site. Close this. Copy the link, select all, and paste. You see that site, that video on YouTube as shown in our site automatically. Can you see? So what you can now do is, if it's too big like this, you can just come to advanced with custom width, and then just, you see what I'm doing. See, this custom width there's a lot of things you can do with this cost. It will help you a whole lot, this custom width. So don't run away from it, it will help you. So look at it, it's going to the left, it's going to one side. That's because we not set our container holding it to what? We will not set the
Justify content.
exactly. So we'll make it to be what? Center
Enter.
and center. So you see it has jumped to the middle now. We can now go ahead to do what? Click on the video widgets, go to style, where to go to advanced, go to border, and you can see it will work here, and give it a border radius. See, we just curve that border, that edge is small, and it gives it some good feeling. You see, so if someone plays this video on your site, it will play automatically. You get, so if your client has a video like this, you can just even duplicate. If they have like different videos, you know, can just, let me do Control D, duplicate, and duplicate is going down. If you want to go sideways, you know what to do now. The container holding it, change the direction to horizontal.
Horizontal.
See the two videos are here. So I want to keep one video. So I'm going to do this. So now you see this one now has controls where you can play and pause. You can increase the volume. So that's the advantage of what this widgets, this video widget. So if you come back to content and then you now say play controls, you can always hide it if you don't want it. But just off it, you see that all the play controls, that pause and play It's going to disappear. It's reloading. Have you seen? It will disappear. But unlike this one, you see this one is playing on automatically. But this one, yeah, you can always choose that it has to. Now, there's also what we call autoplay. If you on it, it will play without anybody touching it, like the name implies, autoplay. But that's not good. That's not really good because it should distract people. What if they're in public, you know? So play on mobile, yes, always on it. Mute, well, you can mute it in case you want to achieve something like this one. You can mute it and then make it to the autoplay. But I will not really recommend that. Use this when you want, you know, a voice to be shown. Then loop player controls. Loop means you want it to start afresh after playing, you know, just continues playing. Player controls, we off the let's on it. Okay. So now, what if it's not on YouTube? What if you want to bring in a video that is on your website, like this our own that is here already? What you just have to do is to come to here, the source, change the source to what self-hosted. Self-hosted means I'm the one that owns it. So just you now choose a video and select. See now this is the only video we have on our website. So we just select it and boom, it shows.
Okay.
So this is like another we can add videos, but you know they all work differently for different purpose. So that's it. Um okay. Hold on, let me check something. So any questions so far? Any questions so far? Yes. No question. So I just did something now. You see it? I just did the difference between full width and boxed again for people to see, but I did not say anything. Say something now. This is unboxed. The default one I want it to be using. You see, this box now carries the same size from here to here. So look at this line. Look at this line at the extreme end. If I drag this line, look at it follows this line, it follows our content. See, everything is as if we use ruler, which makes it to be what's professional today. You see, but if you now use that is because the main container holding it is what is boxed. It's telling it don't pass this line. You understand? Don't pass this what gap from here to here. But if the main container holding it says okay, full width anyhow you want to, you can expand. Let me collapse and show you. You see, the content in the middle now will spread to the end, they'll spread to anyhow they want. So please always use boxed mostly
Box.
for your elements, except sections you want it to spread. Okay.
Mado, has class ended?
My mic has been muted. I've been speaking ever since. So, any questions, please? Any questions? Any questions? Or is there anybody that did something that wants to share with us? Or should we do on our next class? Please. So, we need to be very active. Like I said, you guys are the one developing here, and you guys should be more active than any other tracks in this cohort. Okay. So far, any questions, even your personal development, what you've been doing, any questions, so that in our next level, you start reviewing.
Hello, sir.
So we are basically almost done with our own this thing. We just have like few sections to add here, and we are done. So who was about to speak?
Hello, sir.
Yes, unmute. Go on.
Okay. What if you want to embed a form, like a form on this website?
Embed a what?
A form.
I'm coming. A form.
Yes, sir.
FORM.
Yeah, FORM, yeah, form.
Okay, you want to embed a form. Elementor has a form widget, but it's not free. So, but the other widgets, you can use from WordPress, like the other plugins that has the form feature. Um we have a whole lot of them. So we just use one and then create our own form. Do you get?
Okay, sir.
For example, now look at this guy called this widget, this QI add-on that we added. Let me see if it has a form. Okay, QI add-on has a form, but it's also locked. It's locked. So we'll also look for a plugin that is able to give us a form for free. So you can always add your form for people to contact you. Very, very, very easy. So any other question? Do we do anything and then we had challenging? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Please, I want to ask, I want to beg, please. Can we get the link to this video, please, so that we can watch it later? Like, I joined very late. I came back very late.
Okay.
Please, is it possible?
Yes, all the videos are in the YouTube channel.
I can't find them. I've been looking for our own class, but I've not been able to find those ones. What I was saying was virtual assistant classes.
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
Please, I'm
Even
really begging,
okay.
please.
The videos are available. So what I'm going to do is, like most times, like 2 times now, I've sent the video to the main recording, Google Meet recording. You get?
Is it possible? Can you put them up in a drive and give us the link to the drive, please? Since we couldn't find them on YouTube.
Okay, that will be arranged by the moderator. They'll arrange that. But for now, what I can do is, like, I'm going to send you guys the link to each of the class. Like, I've sent like 2 links now. They want two classes already. If you can check the group, you just see it. It's like a drive link that I sent. So once you open it, you'll be able to watch it. So even this one now, I'm going to send it again. No, the one of last class, nobody asked for it, so I guess everybody followed. So I don't know bother to send it.
I didn't even get that one. I searched for that one on YouTube. I didn't get it.
You should have notified in the group now. I would have copied from the drive.
Okay.
To get, because we did almost every day we learn, we do new things. So I'm going to just test. I mean, I'm going to check for the one of the last class and the one of this class and paste the links in the chat. So that's not a problem. Just what you just have to do is just to find time and learn and watch, and practice.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome. Any other questions before we call it a night, please? All right. So we'll be able to cover this. We just did this today. The girl, please watch the girls. Earlier on this call, we did a review with a girl. I'm trying to know her name, but I don't want to call her a girl. Please, what's your name if you're on this call? So we did a correction with one of us, and it will really help us. At least she did some mistakes, and we corrected that together. That should be omole. Yeah. So once this recording is ready, just try and see how you can watch that, because she did some mistakes and then we solved it together. You understand? So you can know how you can structure your own. All right. So let's have a good night's rest. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
All right.
Thank you, sir.